Hello guys.
So today we are going to do an ice challenge, जिसमें we are going to put so many ice in this
Okay,
vessel.
so इसके rules ऐसे रहेंगे.
But let me explain the game first. What is the game? Rules बाद में आते हैं.
Okay.
Yeah. So हमारे पास है 2 प्लेट आइस के, जिसमें हम आइस इसमें डालेंगे एंड फिर हम एक दूसरे को क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे.
तो मैं भी वही बता रही
तो दैट इज नॉट रूल, दैट इज एन गेम. ओके.
हाँ तो मैं बता रही
ओके,
हूँ.
लेट अस सी.
So हाँ
तब तक मैं मेरे बाल बांध देती हूँ.
हाँ so हम लोग इसमें पानी डालेंगे, आइस डालेंगे एंड देन पूरा वाटर कोल्ड हो जाएगा एंड देन हम दोनों एक दूसरे को अपने बारे में क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे और जिसको नहीं आया 3 काउंट सेकंड्स में वो डुबकी मारेगा.
ओके, सो लेट्स गो.
और हम लोगों ने कुछ क्वेश्चंस लिए हैं, हम उसमें से पूछने वाले हैं. सो
आई मीन जो मैंने मेरे फ़ोन में मतलब रखे, उसने उसके क्वेश्चंस लिखे हुए हैं और मैंने मेरे क्वेश्चंस लिखे हुए हैं जो हम एक दूसरे को पूछ सकते हैं.
ये सब डाल दूँ?
हाँ, सब डाल दो. मतलब डाल के देखो एक बार. आई गेस
बहुत भाई.
हाँ, बस रहने दे फिर वो वाले
फ्रीज हो जाऊंगी.
उसमें से मत डाल, फिर छोड़ दे.
मैं तो फ्रीज हो जाऊंगी.
And we're gonna put a glass of water to just inhale in the ice. Yeah. So I guess we are ready with our ice. I guess we
ऐसे
need to frame out.
सबको ऐसा लगे कि हमने सच में किया है.
Yes. So it's like, put your hand. Take your hand. Yeah. You're putting your hand on the
हाँ.
camera. Okay, guys.
थोड़ा
So. Okay, fine. Let it be. Okay, so let's start with our first question.
पहले आप कर रहे हो.
Okay, I'm asking first question. I'll be asking you a question, okay? So, yeah. Okay, I guess we need to frame out this yellow one. Okay, are you ready for the challenge and question number 1?
Yes.
So she's ready to dip her face in the water because she knows she's not gonna answer that question as well. Okay.
But 3 तक काउंट करना है, ठीक है? 1 2 3 and then
Yes. I'll,
If
and,
I
and,
can't
and if,
answer.
if you are saying wrong on the first answer, then you are wrong.
हाँ
And you don't have a second chance to say the true answer.
हाँ ठीक
Okay.
है.
Okay. So first question goes for Hirva is which is your
Mine.
which is mine current favorite color. I mean like अभी का favorite color जो होता है ना ऐसा like
Okay. Brown.
obsessed with.
Brown.
No, Matt, you are wrong. Go inside. 1 2. We have to count till 1 2 3 and then you have to come out. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
चलो.
Okay. So now you're done.
हाँ.
All we're gonna do is like 3 questions to you, 3 questions to me. Okay. So continue. Okay. So next question I'm gonna ask you is okay. Which I'm gonna ask. Which
देख लो एक
okay,
बार.
Wait. I'll see in the question as like we have made a question back. Would I prefer? I would prefer bath, having bath like proper sitting and having bath, or getting a quick shower.
I think bath because you spend more time in like bathing and it. So
Okay, somewhat it's true.
because she just spends 1 hour in showering, also in showering. So
Yeah,
I thought-
because I love to get that sauna wala feeling, you know, that jacuzzi wala feeling. So yeah. Okay, one more question to you.
You can see.
I'll see. One more question to you is something like, okay, yeah. So with which friend I wanna go on a cruise?
okay, should I name it or
Yeah, you have to name it.
Okay.
Like, yeah, one person.
okay? I think most currently.
Okay. So I would be saying you more difficult line. Like more, I would be make it more difficult, which is like I would prefer to go in a group. Like I have one group with that group, or with one person.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's a little difficult.
So
If my friends are watching, they would know with whom I'm talking.
in my opinion, I think you are an extrovert. So I think you will go in a group. And in group, I should name it or not?
No, it's fine. It's fair enough.
I can also name it.
Okay, name it. Okay, say me. Okay, no. Say me in my ear. I don't want to reveal it.
Okay.
Say you. Huh? No, you're wrong. She's wrong. Dip your
Bye. सही
I know it's wrong.
नहीं
single friend. I don't want to go with a group. Yeah.
When did you told me that you wanna go single?
That's not my point. Go in 1, 2, 3. Okay, she's done for today. No, look at. My God, मेरे पूछो.
शर्म नहीं है यार.
पूछो. Okay, now just wipe it
Okay.
off.
अब भी मैं आपको अगर सही होगा ना फिर देख लेना.
Okay, come in frame. You're going out of the frame, baby. Okay, so get ready to fight. Dripping.
Okay. Firstly,
Okay.
मैं वही पूछ रही हूँ आपको.
Yeah.
Current favorite color.
Okay. It is something around lavender, purple kind of thing.
Round. अंदर अंदर ही नहीं जा रहे यार. अंदर जाओ अंदर. अरे जाओ.
Man, see, this hole is wet.
नहीं.
No, I went inside.
ऐसे रहो. हाँ. अभी जाओ. नहीं जा रहे हो आप.
जा रही हूँ.
नहीं
I'm going.
वन 2 3 करना है.
I know. See, no,
चल.
this is done. I no.
नहीं.
This is
आपने
done.
सिर्फ ये नाम की
No,
किया है.
see, this is also wet. No, this is done. Okay.
1 2 3 काउंट डाउन करना.
No, that's your mistake. No, now it's done. Second question.
so biased. Okay. एक और पूछती हूँ. My favorite dream destination for vacation.
Okay, it would be in India or out of India.
It's out of India.
Okay, it's Switzerland.
Yeah, kind of.
It's not kind of. It's yes or no.
No.
No, it's Switzerland. You said me. No, that's true, guys. She's proving me wrong. No, that's
नहीं,
true.
currently.
It's not about current. What you have said.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Done. Okay.
Okay.
Second. The last question. The end of this video.
Okay. This is.
Quickly.
Wait 1 second. Okay. Favorite car. My current favorite car.
Oh, I was knowing that the Bugatti you like.
Currently, it is not.
Oh, you like Bugatti.
Currently, it's not.
Okay, fine.
What?
Guys, I'm gone. I'm totally inside the eyes. She's doing Juno.
अभी पता चल रहा है क्या सब?
You were grabbing this.
अभी पता चला.
She's mad at laughing, guys. She laughs a lot, and when she laughs, she will fall here and there on anyone. So.
पर भाई आपने मुझे पूरा ये देख लो.
देख लिया. She's giving her profile. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh no, I'm not a model like you.
उसको आदत हो गई है ना profiles देने की. Okay, we are done with that challenge.
So कौन जीता?
See you
कौन?
soon.
मैं जीती obviously.
मैंने 2 आंसर दिए, 2 सही थे, और तुमने
2 नहीं एक.
तुमने एक ही आंसर दिया.
एक ही.
तो दोनों ने एक ही आंसर दिया. तुमने भी एक ही आंसर दिया.
Tie.
टाई हुआ
It's
है.
tie.
चलो फिर विल टाई ब्रेकर. तुम एक क्वेश्चन पूछो, मैं भी तुमको एक क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ.
ठीक
It
है.
goes right, wrong, let's see.
Let's see. ये लास्ट राउंड है. So
Yeah.
मैं एक आपको पूछती हूँ.
Yeah.
One thing I want to do in my life.
मतलब अभी
नहीं like कुछ फ्यूचर में जाके मुझे बड़े होके ये करना है.
यार this is like too.
या और I can also like it's my goal. You can tell like ये मुझे ये चीज़ सीखनी है वैसा वाला.
सीखनी है या तुमको वो चीज करनी है?
Okay.
It's true.
चेंज करती हूँ, सीखनी है.
मुझे सीखनी है. It's badminton, not in sports.
Not in sports.
It's not in sports. Okay, so like an acting too, so I don't think so. It's an acting. It would be something like gymnastic or something.
Seriously?
So it's what?
No.
Car driving, cycling,
Nahin.
skating, So what do
Nahin.
you want to learn now?
Car driving?
No, that's a different level thing.
हाँ. मैंने बोला आपको हिंट भी दिया था मैंने अभी 1 2 3 काउंट डाउन ना प्लीज
I can't breathe, guys.
ओके 1 2
Ah, I can't breathe.
भाई मेरे को अच्छा है मेरे को स्विमिंग आती है भाई इनके जैसा कुछ नहीं है आई कांट ब्रीथ
Don't copy me, please. Okay, so what do you want to learn?
फर्स्टली आई वांट मैंने 2 ऑप्शंस रखे थे ठीक है कार ड्राइविंग और बाइक ड्राइविंग
Oh, I said car driving.
नहीं आपने बोला वो तो नहीं होगा अगर आपने सीधा कार ड्राइविंग और दूसरी चीज़ है कि मुझे लैंग्वेजेस सीखने हैं लाइक कोरियन और ऐसी चीज़ें
Seriously?
यस
Okay. Okay, fine. Now it's my turn to ask question.
मुझे क्यों इतनी हंसी आ रही है
Oh, you're drying my phone in water. Now, what will I ask you? What will I ask you?
Anything.
Guys,
भाई
help
बहुत
me.
ज़्यादा ठंडा नहीं हो गया
You know about zodiac animal, yeah. You know. Everything is done, yeah.
आई थिंक एक चीज़
Which
बाकी है।
is I said that, I guess. I don't know.
कौन सा
Which is my favorite flavor in ice cream?
ओके आई जस्ट गेस
Yeah.
कुकी एंड क्रीम
Not in general, current obsessed. That is in general.
ओके ओके
I want current obsession.
लीची
Oh no! I was sure that I said you
I
today
won.
morning only. yeah.
इसने मुझे कल या आई
Today morning only we
आज
had
ही बताया
talk.
सो आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं लीची उन्होंने बताया तो लेट्स सी
Literally naturals का guys,
Wow.
go to naturals. मैं promotion कर रही हूँ naturals के लिए. Go to naturals and have lychee.
अनपेड
Unpaid promotions, yeah. But go, you can have lychee flavor there. It's amazing. Sure. So it's
आई वांट गाइस यू डोंट नो मी बेटर
no, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, so we would be ending up the video here.
एंड गाइस ये मेरा फर्स्ट वीडियो है सो आई एम होपिंग दैट यू गाइस सपोर्ट मी
Yeah. So
yeah.
please, guys, support us, sisters. and-
त्रिवेदी सिस्टर्स
Yeah, it's just us, kind of tag. But oh, the water is dropping. Okay, see you soon. So like, share, and
सब्सक्राइब
and वो होता है ना bell icon, ding, वो भी कर देना. Thank you.